Welcome to Five Fires YouTube. Today we're going to have an adventure over here at Downtown Disney. If you're not already following me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram at The Calibet. Please subscribe, hit the like button, fire it up. I'm the main host, Mondo. Let's do this. It is currently 1 o'clock. Just arrived to Downtown Disney. Very, very calm day. Do you want to check, see if there's any updates on the restaurant that's going on over here that's been closed for a very long time? Let's take a look. Just wanted to do a brief update of what it looks like over here. This is where Asian Eats used to be about a week ago. And then this used to be Rainforest Cafe back in the day. Who knows if anything will return here in the near future. I hope it does. Because it would be nice to have a restaurant again over here. So I was walking by a Lego store and I saw zero line. That never happens. So I was like, you know what? Let's get an update. Let's get an update over here at Legoland. Just walked into the Lego store and I went straight to Batman. They're so cool. I guess some of these are Ninjago. And then they do got the castle one. This one's 349 bucks. I could just imagine how many pieces that is. Oh, they got that cool Mickey one too. One really cool part about the Lego store over here at Downtown Disney, they got a lot of the Super Mario Lego. It's really cool. They got a lot of the additions, the starter course, which like this is always sold out, it seems like. Man, they got a lot of the Super Mario items. They also got Harry Potter Legos over here at this Lego store. Check out the owl. This one's 40 bucks. Then they got Hagrid's hut. Also, if you do come to Downtown Disney, definitely hit the Lego store just to get a nice photo op with this baby Yoda. Look at this, it's all Legos. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. I want one of these in my room. Up next, we're gonna hit World of Disney, see if any new merch has arrived. It's a beautiful day today. The weather is just absolutely gorgeous. And there's no lines. I'm definitely gonna set the pack meter today at a 2 out of 10. Very, very low capacity. Just walked into World of Disney. Got a new sweater. It's the first thing that we walked into. So cool. Haven't seen this character in a long time. $54.99, and they have it extra small to 3X. Wow, we're seeing some 3X now finally arriving. Look, we got some Simba cups. Simba sweater. What? And they have it in 3X. Let me confirm. Is it really 3X? Yeah, they got a 3X. Wow. That is awesome. Is it 54 also? Yep. $54.99 if you aren't interested. And then, oh my gosh, Lady and the Tramp. And this one, also 54 bucks if you are interested. And this one does go up to 3X. They only have one available though. Oh, is there one more? Slinky Dog. That is awesome. The best part about these sweaters is they have a character in the back. Or they have more design in the back. That was the Simba one. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, these new sweaters are awesome. This Disneyland printing is really, really well done. Highly recommend those. I was hanging out with Paul, and then we get breaking news. Annual passes are completely canceled. Like, can I just get a first reaction? No cussing.
I just like. Reaction is just pure shock. I actually have no words. I just can't believe it. Like, I have so many questions, so many more questions that we're not going to get answers.
Well, my first reaction is like, you know, we do this for a living. You do this for a living.
Yeah, this is my job.
I really do this for a living. Like, I'm
Yeah.
not,
Yeah.
my whole thought was like, how do I come to Disneyland now?
Yeah.
In general, like, pay $130 every single time.
Yeah. Plus parking.
Plus $25 parking, plus the gas. So you're looking at $200 right there.
That's my first thought, and then my second thought is most of Disneyland's, like, the people that come in are annual pass holders. Like, how is Disneyland even going to operate? Like, people are not going to buy tickets. Locals, I don't think. Do you think? Like when it reopens, but then they're not coming back
How
every
much
week.
money is it worth it to you for a Ronto wrap?
Dude, that's all I've wanted.
Yeah.
All I wanted was a Tatooine sunset and a breakfast Ronto wrap.
Yeah.
That's
And
all I've
now-
wanted.
now we gotta pay
Now
$200?
it's $200 further. Man, thank you, Ordinary Adventures. We're gonna do a live stream right.
We're in the truck right now.
Like a merch search video, and I'm like,
Yeah.
can we even finish this?
I know. I was filming the merch too, and I was all happy about a Simba sweater. Now it's so irrelevant right now. Yeah, we're gonna go live stream, everybody. But thank you. Appreciate your guys' time.
143.
143. We just got done hanging out with Ordinary Adventures, and I'm with my buddy Paul now. Paul Theme Park Adventures. We're just absolutely devastated.
Completely.
I don't even know what to say. We were all trying to do a merch search, but that seems kind of irrelevant now that annual passes are completely canceled.
Done. Effective
Donezo.
immediately is from what Mice Chat's, was it? The article said.
You know, over here at World of Disney, in the plush area, we have some characters we haven't seen in a long time. We have Burr Bear. He's being sold for $29.99, and he's flying off the shelves. I've seen somebody grab like 5 of these things. Also, and for discount on these two, and this is something that's going on right now, and I highly recommend if you want this and you see this video, come the next day, because these are things that are probably going to sell out quickly. But we also have Burr Fox and then Burr Rabbit. So cool. And these are being sold $22 when you buy 2. So if you buy 1 and 1, you get them for $22. Here we have all 3 of the characters all bunched up. This is so cool. Lots of speculation though that I'm thinking about is why is these characters from Splash Mountain being sold at World of Disney right now? Why? Could we think as a speculation that Splash Mountain won't be coming back when Disneyland reopens? Wait till Speculation Sunday until we talk about that. We have a new child, the Child Funko. Check it out. I've never seen this version before, but it's being sold for $12.99, and AP discount does apply. The other versions that it does come with in this set are these. We're waiting for that Mando one right there. That's the one we really want, but this child one's super cool. So come check it out over here at World of Disney. There's some new Wishables that have arrived. This is the one that you could buy just out of the bag, but if you do want the chase bag, they have these, an Alice in Wonderland version. We have some new Wishables that have arrived for $9.99. This is the one that you buy just out of the bag, and then here's the bag, and then these are the ones that you can get for the Alice in Wonderland for $9.99. And this is the other Wishable that has arrived, which are, I think, just Main Street vehicles or just Disneyland vehicles. This is cool. This is the Main Street vehicle being sold for $9.99. And then you could also get, thanks Paul, you could also get these in the Chase pack. The train is probably the coolest one, the locomotive engine. They got the tram, Mark Twain, and the monorail. And then this one right here, so cool. Located over here at World of Disney by the mug section, we have some new Up merch that has arrived. Check this out. Look how cute that is. It's being sold for $14.99. Tons of detail. This is the perfect gift to give somebody if they're an Up fan. And we also have an event calendar. This was being sold for $24.99. And if you aren't interested, they still have tons of the jugs for Paradise Falls. so you could save up for your adventure. Also over here at the Disney home section of World of Disney, over here by the cup area, they have a new amazing cup with the castle on it that says home. It's being sold for $19.99. This one's like probably for tea and stuff like that. All right, Paul. So now that we've had a little bit of time to kind of just comprehend what happened today, what are your like first thoughts and just like reaction to annual passes being canceled?
Honestly, it's just sadness. Like I kept telling you off camera, like I don't know, it's hard to think right now. Like all you can think about is the sad news, and it really sucks.
We're all trying to do a merch search, but there's only one thing on our minds right now.
I know, like, I mean, I'm trying to think, like, hey, well, at least 30%, but that's not, I mean, that's just a Band-Aid, I guess.
Yeah, because on the 18th, which is this coming Monday,
Yeah.
You will be able to get 30% Monday through Thursday for about a month.
Yeah. So
And then
February 25th.
February 25th. And then who knows what's going to happen beyond that. A lot of year left.
I know. Like, I'm kind of curious to see what they're going to bring next, because, I mean, whatever it is, as long as we get to go back into the park, I'll probably get it. I just hope it's good. But, I mean, this does suck, though.
They're going to be like, there's only one annual pass and it's $2,500.
$2,500, no parking.
No parking. No AP.
No.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I would think Disney would not, they're not gonna take two steps back. So them breaking the news, breaking everybody's hearts, I think their next goal is gonna be to take a huge step forward and introduce something that's magical, right?
I really hope so, because honestly right now there's a lot of angry people. I did a live stream earlier and people were not happy about it. Like,
Yeah.
everyone was devastated, sad, and even now, like I keep seeing the comments, and it's just still people are just sad, they're upset, and I mean, I don't know. I hope they make it right by everybody.
Yeah.
I really do.
Thanks, Paul. Appreciate your time.
Anytime.
Oh man, Marcelli's Confectionery. Oh, we gotta get the ticket. I want to get a caramel apple. All right, let's check out, see what they got. It's been a while since I've been in here. Lots of cool merch, lots of cool merch. All right, let's see. So these are the offerings they got right now at Marcelline's Confectionery. This looks so good. I think I might try this one today. We'll see. This one's my favorite, and that one, and they're only $6.99. Here we have Sorcerer Mickey, Rice Krispie Treat, Minnie Mouse, and then a bunch of M&Ms. If you look at the very bottom, they got a bunch of cookies and Marceline's, like peanut butter chocolate chip, snickerdoodle, and then this one.
This song okay?
Yeah, right outside of Jazz Kitchen, we have this help us make magic as easy as 1, 2, 3. You can use your phone to take a picture of the QR code, and it takes you to a link where then at that point in time, you're gonna do a survey to fill out. It's pretty crazy. Disney's looking to get opinions and feedback with this survey, possibly because of what's happening with annual pass holders being eliminated and just the future of the park itself. So today's adventure, it's been cut a little bit short. I am glad though I was able to get Marceline's Confectionery, take it home to the family and enjoy some treats with everybody. But the devastation of the news of annual pass holders being eliminated, it's just hard to overcome. It's hard to just even film this video just because of the broken heart that I got of not being an AP anymore. We're now technically not annual pass holders.
Yeah. All we have left is just that discount.
Yeah, all we got left is the discount that's going to be applied Monday through Thursday from January 18th to February 25th. And it's only Monday through Thursday. Let me reiterate that. It's not every day. And it's going to be 30%. My speculation on that, I feel like probably World of Disney is going to start dropping a lot of merch.
I think so.
For annual pass holders to purchase.
Yeah.
I think we're going to see a big influx of new merch, or maybe just park merch.
Yeah, I mean, I think the cool thing is it's not like the Christmas merch. It was 70% off, but it was just for that. This is gonna be for anything, you know, as far as merchandise. So that's a good deal.
Those Burr Rabbit, Burr Bear, all that, 30% off come Monday. If it's still here, who knows if it'll still be here or not.
So if you get the rabbit and the fox, it'll be 2 for $22, and then you get your AP discount.
Yeah, 30% off that too.
So
Such a good deal.
it's a good deal.
All right, everybody. Thank you guys all for watching. Appreciate your time, Paul.
Anytime.
We are burning it down. The Cali Bay is calling it a day. I'm the main host, Mondo.